Hello! Today I want to share with you one thing that is not strictly connected with smart home. But if you're using Xiaomi products and buy them from China, it is a big chance that you will find this one useful. For instance, if you have a gateway, Mia gateway, you probably got a Chinese adapter for European plugs, but they are not of the highest quality and they're pretty big. So that's why I bought these Skross travel adapters, but these are for foreigners coming to Europe. But of course, since we are buying stuff from China, we will also find it useful because they are very low profile, and you will see I will compare it with the original Chinese adapter received with, for instance, Xiaomi gateway. So this is it. This is a standard German Schuko adapter used almost everywhere in Europe. And you see how thin it is. Also, I believe the quality is much better than the adapters supplied by AliExpress traders when you buy something. So these are available in the Czech Republic for around 160 crowns each, which is not that expensive. So let's compare it with the original adapter that I got with my gateway. Okay, so here is the adapter, typical Chinese adapter that you get when you buy something from China with Chinese plug. And you can compare it with this one and you see the difference in size. So when you connect the gateway to this adapter, you see how big it is. Now, if we use this one, it's much, much smaller. See? So, if you find this useful, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time with something interesting. Bye.